It's not much, but I hope you can put this towards something meaningful like your
shut
share
your
of
broke
the
ass
rent
up,
that's
nigga.
due
Shut your
soon.
broke ass up, you broke ass nigga. Add that particular word to Fosabot. Is there any way we could have like usernames banned instantly too, or we just can't do it like that? I mean, I could easily just turn off anonymous gifteds. I don't need anonymous gifters anyway, so I could just easily cut it off. Yeah, there's no point to gift anything anonymously, because all they do is do chargebacks for it anyway. So, hey, time that nigga out for 10 minutes to ask me if I'm Arcane. All right, let me add who I'm adding. What's up? All right, send me your shits. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Come on, gotta go. Requirements to play, just be an authentic sub, not a candy. Yo, all you people, could you just add me on here and then I'll just accept your shit on PSN? Like right here, BBC _ King Demon. Why would a monster strap me down, have this big black tentacle, shove it in my mouth and pump black spit in my mouth? I'm just like, look, and he's just like, yeah, I stopped calling myself what I was on the internet a while ago playing games, because niggas just, as soon as they do that, they get an erection. As soon as they see LowTierGod on the screen.
Round 1, fight!
Alright, bro, if you're gonna try to play me in the game and then try to pick a character to try to counter me on purpose because you watch me play Mortal Kombat all the time, yeah, bro, the nigga literally picked a cameo to try to counter pick me. Somebody cooked that nigga out of my stream for 2 weeks.
We're sorry.
That's why you wanted to play me, you dumb fuck. Because you wanted to counter me on purpose, you stupid fuck, because you sit here and watch me 24/7. Nigga, eat a dick, nigga. It's not your first time watching, bitch. He's good? Alright, well, you're good too. The fuck out of my stream. You're really gonna come see who I'm playing, watch me, study me, and then gonna try to pick a counter cameo? Nigga, you're dumb as fuck. Knew there was a problem in the first fucking place. Never watched me, but all of a sudden you wanna come in my shit playing MK? Just ban him instead. Fuck your sub. How would you know to use anti-zone or tech, nigga, if you never see me play? You ever thought about that? Pick the characters you originally play. You don't come in my shit trying to like, get the fuck out of here, nigga. What the fuck would that whack ass nigga have done without a fucking goddamn assist in the first place doing that? Nothing.
Round 1, fight!
said it's the same dude from last time? I ain't interested in playing this clown. They basically doing the same corny ass shit, so that's what makes this game stale. You can only play one way with these characters. I feel like this is the same fucking dude, and he just made a new username. They play exactly alike. Man, ban this nigga out of my chat. What the f is this rank? Who are you in chat? Type. Let's check your rank. Should have spoke when I fucking said to. Alright, you're blocked. Bro, I did not turn on this game so niggas could join my lobby with fucking Scorpion. Like, come on, man. Niggas ruin everything. This is the guy I just played, right?
Reiko, Omni-Man, Motaro.
Come on, man. These niggas, like, come on, bro.
Round 1.